Welcome to the Foundry by Forge College. Today, we're jumping straight into our Solana ecosystem track, specifically looking at compressed NFTs and how we build scalable solutions using Metaplex Core. In our last lesson, we walked through how smart accounts work. Today, we're pivoting to a different challenge: how to scale digital assets to a massive degree. Imagine you need to securely and instantly issue 100,000 digital concert tickets on a blockchain. How do you do that without the network fees costing you a fortune? If you try to mint that many assets using traditional, uncompressed methods, things get incredibly messy and expensive. Building a brand new, individual digital storage space for every single one of those tickets is financially impossible. We need a completely different way to organize and store this data. Instead of building 100,000 separate houses for each ticket, we can build one massive stadium and simply assign people to their seats. This diagram shows the stadium in code, a Merkle tree. It's a mathematical structure pre-built on the blockchain. Creating a compressed NFT doesn't require a brand new account. It simply assigns a specific seat. The data in that seat is a leaf, representing our concert ticket. Relying on this shared, pre-allocated structure is the secret to making Solana compressed assets fast and incredibly cheap compared to traditional NFTs. Let's look at how the actual minting process works. It starts with the ticket data itself, like the event name, the section, and the seat number. But before a ticket can be placed in its seat, it has to be translated into the exact digital language the stadium system expects. Look at how this data transforms on screen. This is all about structural matching. If the format of the ticket doesn't perfectly align with the slot the system requires, it gets rejected at the door. Students in Forge College's Web3 programs often find that getting this data alignment exactly right is the single biggest hurdle when they start writing their first minting code. Ensuring this data matches the system's requirements is the non-negotiable first step. It is the only way to turn raw data into a valid compressed leaf. Once your ticket is in the right shape, the blockchain needs to know exactly where in this massive stadium the specific ticket belongs. To find it, we use a Merkle proof. As you can see in this animation, a Merkle proof is a mathematical map that proves the exact location of the open seat. Think of this proof as the usher's map. Without it, the smart contract program managing the tree cannot verify where the new leaf goes. The blockchain doesn't spend time searching the whole stadium itself. This exact map is the gatekeeper for adding anything to the Merkle tree. We are now at the final step: getting the necessary approvals to finalize the seat assignment. We need specific signatures for this to work. First is the payer, who covers the tiny network fee. Second is the tree authority, acting as the stadium manager. Two separate managers provide a digital sign-off. When these signatures clear, the system creates an asset PDA, a permanent, verifiable digital ticket stub proving who owns the seat. All of these elements, the properly formatted data, the map, and the signatures, must be bundled together into one single successful transaction. Bundling precise data, a flawless map, and the correct approvals is the exact recipe for executing a successful compressed mint. After that transaction finishes, there is one last thing to do. We have to prove the ticket actually made it into the right hands. We verify ownership by checking that new digital ticket stub to ensure the owner's key and ticket content match. Here is what confirmation looks like. We bypassed building 100,000 separate accounts by using a shared stadium, matching the data format perfectly, mapping its location, and securing the right approvals. This combination of on-chain structures and off-chain maps is what allows developers to create massive amounts of digital assets on Solana. You've now mastered the conceptual flow of compressed minting. Great job wrapping up this lesson on building scalable solutions. To explore more Web3 concepts and dive into our next lesson on indexing these assets, visit us at forge.college. We have a full range of educational resources waiting for you. See you there.